A rich mocha flavored hot chocolate served with whipped cream, chocolate sprinkles, and mini marshmallows. This beverage idea is hot. I mean, like really hot. Yup, let's make the absolute best mocha hot chocolate. Okay, let me set the scene. You've got kids and grandkids in your midst and they just came in from a day of tobogganing. Better still, it's the weekend, you have weekend guests. They've all come in from a winter hike and what to serve? Something warm and soothing? Well, there's hot chocolate and then there is this mocha hot chocolate. Let me show you how to make it. I have a medium-sized pot. I'm adding 6 cups of whole milk plus 2 cups of half and half cream. Over to stove top, it goes on a small burner. I'm gonna bring it to temperature. You need to scald the milk and cream. Now grab a big pot. We're gonna add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of instant espresso powder, and yes, there is a decaf version out there if you're serving to kids, and then 1 cup of water. We're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's do a pinch of kosher salt. Temperature on stovetop is moderate. We're gonna stir that mixture to dissolve the sugar and cocoa and espresso powder. We're gonna continue to heat until it comes to temperature. Now we're gonna add that hot milk and cream mixture, give it a stir. Let's get this mocha hot chocolate hot, but do not bring it to a boil. To serve into fancy mugs, then we're gonna top with dollops of fresh whipped cream. How about some grated chocolate? And then drop on a few mini marshmallows. Say it with me, yummy. Full recipe is up at weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a warm bevy is this beautiful, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. The absolute best mocha hot chocolate. It'll give you the warm and fuzzies on a cold day, that's for sure. Cheers. Beautiful.